Hello student, as we completed whole portion, we have to revise some certain points which we not taken thoroughly. So the last lesson, that is the universe, we saw all the points, that is the types of galaxies, stars, the sun, the solar system, and the different uh, planets of this solar system. Okay. After that, we also saw the satellites of the planets, asteroids, and dwarf planet. But I think the last point, that is a comet, we are not taken thoroughly. So first we read this point, and after that we will get explanation. A comet is a celestial body that revolves around the sun. Comets are formed out of ice and dust particles. They are part of a solar system. Since olden times, the appearance of comet has been considered to be an inauspicious event. Comets appears like points when they are far away from the sun, but when they are close to the sun, they becomes easily visible to us because of a shorter distance and the heat of the sun. Comets are made up of frozen matter, dust particle. When they are close to the sun, this frozen matter gets converted into gas due to the solar heat. These gases get thrown in the direction way from the sun. As a result, certain comets appears to have a long feathery tail. Due to their long elliptical orbit, their appearance in the sky is very rare. They reappear in the sky very long period of time. As we know, the Halley's comet comes into our revolves around the sun, and we can see that Halley's comet after 76 years. Okay, so the comets are classified into two main group, that is these long period comets. These comets takes more than 200 years to complete one revolutions around sun, and short period comets, these comets takes less than 200 years to complete one revolutions around sun. So we have two types of comets of long, depends upon their period of revolution around sun, that is long period comets and short period comets. Halley's comet is a short period comets because it takes 76 years of revolutions around sun. So we are here we got this point which we may left while looking at this last lesson. Okay. So student, if you find any difficulty in any lessons, please send me a message on WhatsApp personal number. So we have I can take that points thoroughly into the next video. So if you found any difficulty while learning, so please send me that point or a photograph of that points. Here we complete our total syllabus, that is from lesson number 9 to lesson number 16. So motion and types of motion, force and types of force, work and energy, simple machines, sound, light and the formation of shadow, fun with magnet the universe. Okay, the light and form. So another point we are going to take here is the light and the formation of shadow, because I think in the formation of shadow there is no umbra and penumbra, no. So we completed this point. Okay, I think no. Okay, we completed this point, that we saw the propagation of light is in a straight way. Okay, with the experiment. Okay, so student, we completed all the points of all the lessons. If any points may left, please send me the picture or a message on my personal number. Okay, so complete. I think I will give you one exercise, that is of the magnet, one with the magnet. Okay, so complete that exercise. Okay, thank you.